Hello student, today we discuss about the lesson 6 ecological threats, but before that we discuss about the homework those are given in a previous online class. Now all student, you have take one copy and pen. Now I solving homework those are given in previous online class. Answer the following questions. Question number first. What is a landfill? Answer is landfill is actually a large tract of land where waste materials are buried. These landfills are situated away from the human habitation, means in town area, from the cities, from the town areas, such type of landfills are situated away from the human habitation. Question number 2. What do you mean by recycling? Recycling is the process of producing new products from discarded material, means waste material, from waste materials. Next, third question. What do you mean by composting? What do you mean by composting? Answer is composting is a natural way of recycling. It leads in biodegradation of organic waste, turning it into good organic fertilizers. You have write this homework in copy in proper way and also learn. Okay. Okay. Ecological threats. You know that our environment day by day polluted due to some human activities. So our responsibility to stop such type of activity like deforestation or construction of unnecessary buildings, burning excess amount of fuel, burning plastics, etc. So let us here one by one we discuss here. With the help of descriptions, here some descriptions are given. Find the right word for the environmental threats mentioned. Okay. With the help of descriptions, find out the environmental threats. Here, first number, the cutting down of forests on a large scale to clear land for commercial purpose. You know that farmers, builders, they cut down the trees and for the commercial purpose. Farmers cut down the trees in large numbers for the farming, for the crop producing, and also government and other builders, other businessmen also cut the forests for the commercial purpose. And here this process is called deforestation. 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 Next, second number, the change in weather patterns, rapid glacier meltdown, extreme temperatures, floods and drought are all caused by this. You know that due to climatic change, a glacier melt and flooding conditions, extremely temperature increase, are such type of activities called climate change. what? Climate change. Next, third number, when groundwater, potable water, groundwater, as well as water in other sources like rivers, lakes and ponds is overused, it leads you know that sometimes some person are use or excessive used potable water ground, those are found underground like ponds water, lakes, etc. And this activities leads to water scarcity. Water scarcity. Next, destruction of soil structure and presence of humans in the top layer due to overgrazing and heavy tillage leads to, you know that sometimes due to overgrazing and so due to flooding conditions, top fertile layers removed from one place to another place and they lost the fertility, and this leads to soil degradation. Soil degradation. Now next and last, the exhaustion of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum and naturally available resources due to huge demand as compared to availability leads to, and such type activity leads to drain to natural resources. I repeat once again. The cutting down of forest on a large scale to clear land for commercial purpose. This is called deforestation. Next, second, the change in weather patterns, rapid glacier meltdown, extreme temperatures, floods and droughts are caused by this what? Climate change. Due to climate change, temperatures increase, glacier melt and flooding conditions are. Next, when groundwater as well as water in other sources like rivers, lakes and ponds is overused, it leads to water scarcity. Next, fourth number, destruction of soil structures and presence of humus in the top layer due to overgrazing and heavy tillage leads to soil degradation. And last, the exhaustion of fossil fuels and naturally available resources due to huge demand as compared to availability leads to drain to natural resources. Now you have once again take copy and pen. Now you have write the homework of lesson 6, ecological threats. Name the following. First, cutting down of forests on a large scale to clear land for commercial purpose. Second, the change in weather pattern are caused by. Third, when groundwater as well as water in other sources is overused, it leads to. Third, destruction of soil structures. And fifth, the exhaustion of fossil fuels and naturally available resources leads to. You have write this homework in copy. In next video I will solve it. So take care, be happy, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.